Welcome to our interior design tutorial. Today, we'll show you how to decorate a farmhouse-style dark kitchen using a variety of components. From shaker-style cabinet doors to wrought iron accents, we'll transform this kitchen into a charming and cozy space. Let's get started. Before we begin, make sure you have all the components ready, including shaker-style cabinet doors, cabinet knobs and pulls, a farmhouse sink, open shelving, butcher block countertops, beadboard panels, glass cabinet doors, exposed wooden ceiling beams, distressed or reclaimed wood, subway tile backsplash, pot racks, farmhouse-style lighting fixtures, mason jars, wrought iron accents, rustic wooden flooring, decorative corbels, a farmhouse-style range hood, a freestanding kitchen island, a farmhouse-style faucet, and chalkboard or chalkboard paint. Once you have everything, we can start the transformation. First, let's update those kitchen cabinets. Replace the old doors with shaker-style cabinet doors for a classic farmhouse look. Install cabinet knobs and pulls, opting for rustic or vintage designs to complement the dark cabinets. Next, let's focus on the sink area. Install a charming farmhouse sink with an apron front, creating a beautiful focal point. For the countertops, go for warm and rustic butcher block material to add a touch of farmhouse charm. For the backsplash, add beadboard panels to create a cozy, cottage-like atmosphere. Also, consider replacing some cabinet doors with glass cabinet doors, allowing you to display your farmhouse-style dishware and decor. Now, let's incorporate distressed or reclaimed wood into the design. You can use it for ceiling beams or as accents throughout the kitchen. As for the backsplash, go for a classic subway tile design and light colors to contrast the dark cabinets beautifully. To free up counter space and add functionality, hang pot racks from the ceiling. These racks will not only provide storage for your pots and pans but also add a rustic touch. Additionally, replace the old lighting fixtures with farmhouse-style pendant lights or chandeliers for that perfect finishing touch. Now let's add some architectural details. Install decorative corbels under your countertops for a touch of elegance. As a centerpiece, introduce a freestanding kitchen island with distressed wood or vintage materials for a farmhouse feel. Enhance the farmhouse aesthetic by adding mason jars as storage containers or decorative elements on shelves and countertops. Additionally, incorporate wrought iron accents like drawer pulls, hooks, or pot hangers to complete the farmhouse look. To tie everything together, replace your flooring with wide plank rustic wooden flooring. It will add warmth and authenticity to the space. For the cooking area, install a farmhouse-style range hood made of metal or wood to match the overall design. Finally, add a farmhouse-style faucet with classic detailing to complete the sink area. And for a functional and charming touch, use chalkboard paint on cabinet doors or walls for grocery lists, recipes, or simply to jot down notes. And there you have it. Your farmhouse-style dark kitchen is now beautifully decorated with all these charming components. Enjoy the cozy and inviting atmosphere of your new space. Thanks for watching, and happy decorating!